guys, so today I'm going to show you a bunch of mini Lego vehicles. So I'll show you how to build a few of them, and let's get started. So to start out, we got the Brussels Airlines Airbus A320, and then over here we got the Cessna 172. Back here we got this little excavator, and then right here we got a school bus. Right here's a tugboat. There's a car. There's a Tesla Cybertruck, and we got a Chiron. There's a mini semi-truck. I have a tutorial on this. The link to the video will be in the description. Okay guys, so first we got a Bugatti Chiron. It looks really realistic. It's just the window is kind of hard to do. That's why it kind of looks a little weird. But the rest of the car looks really realistic. As you can see, it just looks really nice. But now I'll show you to build this. So these are all the pieces you're going to need. It doesn't use too many, but this whole back row is all the headlight bricks that have the little indent at the bottom. They all have the little indent at the bottom and the back, so make sure that these ones don't have a little indent. And these black 1x1 round tiles, they're kind of hard to find, so you can just use black studs instead. Now I'll show you how to build it. So first of all, you get the black indented pieces that have the indent at the bottom, and you will put like the sides with holes in them with the 1 block wide holes together like that. And then you'll put the ones that don't have the little indent at the bottom and put them face up like this on top of those ones. Connect them together, and on top of those you just want to put this piece right there, just the one that has the little lip up. And in front of that you want the blue one headlight bricks that have the little lip, and just put those sideways again on the side of it like that. And on top of those, you just want to put the mini slopes, the blue mini slopes, in like a spike up front. And then you want to put the black 1x2 right there, and put these pieces, curvy ones, on top of it like that. So like so. And window. And then if the black 1x1 round tiles, or if you don't have these, you can also use the studs. So just put all 4 of those on, and you got yourself a mini Lego Bugatti Chiron. Next we're going to make the Tesla Cybertruck. So it's made a little bit different than the Bugatti Chiron, but it looks pretty realistic to the actual Tesla Cybertruck. So I'll show you to make this, and I'll show you all the parts you need. So these are all the pieces you'll need for the Tesla Cybertruck. This one right here is one of these that faces up with the studs, and this is one of the ones that faces down. Make sure to remember that. So to start off, you're going to want to take these 2 pieces and just connect them together like that. And then just grab one of the light gray jumper plates and just stick it right there. And then take this piece right here and just put light gray stud right there, and a black stud right there, and just do that the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to want to stick that right there, and then just get the mini slope and put it right there on the car. And then you're going to want to take a 1x2, put it right there, get this piece, do the same thing you did with the front, put like gray stud there, black stud there, just do that again, and you're going to want to put that right there. And then for the top, you just want to take a 2x2 and just put a tile right there. I'll put the slope pieces right there, so it looks like that. And then you just want to put that right there, and then take the 2 window pieces, window mini slopes, and just stick them right there. So next we have the Cessna 172. It looks really good. These represent windows right there, those holes going through it. It looks really nice, so I'll show you to build it. These all don't use very many pieces except the plane and the tugboat. So yeah. So these are all the pieces you'll need for the Cessna 172. They're all pretty easy to get. So just go and grab these, and then you can follow along. So first you want to start out with these 1x2s with 2 holes in them. just put them right by each other like this. Get a 1x2, put it right there. Get a red jumper plate and just stick it right there on it. And then we'll make the tail real quick. So you need the 1x3 right here, and the 1x2, and then you need a 1x1 right that goes right there, and then you also need to put this right there, and then the 1x2 right there, and then you need to put that right there. And then you got the tail, and you just connect that right there on the jumper plate. And then you need to make the cockpit part, so you get this piece right here, put a red 1x2 on top, stack two clear, like translucent blue pieces on top of that, 1x2s, and then the 1x2 plate, jumper plate, and put those like that, and then two 2x4 tiles, just like that, and you got yourself a Cessna 172. So next we got the excavator. It's really cool. I like the look of it. And the crane can actually move, and there's just like this little scoop up front that has a hole in it. So this thing looks really cool, and it's easy to make. So I'll show you all the pieces you need, and then I'll show you how to build it. These are all the pieces you'll need. Back here it's just these types of clippy pieces, just two of them right here. And the back three back there on the other side is just the ones with the little bar. This piece right here might be a little hard to find, but these are all the pieces you'll need. Just pause the video right now. You can get them, and then you can follow along. So to start off, you need this yellow brick, and just put a 1x2 underneath of it. Get some dark gray 1x1s, and just with studs on the sides, and just put them right there and up here. And then on the back, you would just want to put a yellow 1x2, and then the front just make a mini slope, kind of like the Cybertruck. And for this one, you just want to put like these holes right here on the bricks, just like the ones poking out. You want to stick those inside of these holes, so like that. So it's in like the middles of them. It's kind of weird. And then you just want to line these 1x4s on the sides with black studs, just like this. Next, you want to put 1x2 on it like that, just right there, and then a 1x1 right there, and then you want to put the 1x2 right there. And then next you want to put this type of piece right here that has a little bar at the end. Just stick that right there. Put the 1x2 tile just right above that, like that. And then you just want to put the window just right by that piece, kind of right there. Just connect it on. And then just put a jumper plate right there. And then a tile right there. So then you want to take this piece right here, grab the black one with the bar, just like that, and put a 1x4 over both of them, like that. Just connect together. And then you just attach another yellow one right there, put a 1x4 on top of that, and attach the dark gray one right there. And you just attach the bucket piece right there. And you can just click this onto right there, and got yourself a crane. You just bend it back to the position, and you got yourself a mini little crane. The next ones we're not going to be doing tutorials for. So then the next one is a bus. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, you could probably just make it from this. It's super easy to know how to make. So this is the bus. It's really cool. And then next we have a car. It's about the same as a Bugatti Chiron almost. It's just a little bit different. The front is just down. So yeah. Next we got the tugboat, and the bridge up here looks really cool. I like how the windows are like that and stuff. The tugboat's pretty like a simple design. There's just like studs on the sides holding these side parts up. and it like raises up once it gets to there for the front. The bottom just looks like that. These are the pieces with studs on the sides up here in the front. Yeah, so this is the tugboat. I like the way it looks. So yeah. So here's the Brussels Airlines Airbus A320. It looks really cool. We just used like holes for the windows. There's like these stripes going down and it looks really cool. The wings are also really old wings. They're hard to get your hands on unless you have some old sets. Well, I guess you could buy them from Brickwing, some old ones, but so those wings are kind of hard to get. There's some engines on it. We got some wheels. Front wheel doesn't spin, but the back one too do. Yeah, so this plane looks really cool. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. If you liked the video, I have other videos just like this on my channel. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell.